Wanna see me doing my nail live? Cece, can you do a matte top coat on this one? So I have 2 coat of the gel polish on, which is I picked the black color. However, you can do other colors, and you can do nude. You can do any color you prefer. Or white, it looks cute as well. Whites, you can just like, doing a white or nude colors, beige colors, however color you prefer. And I did 2 coat of the gel polish, and then I did the top coat here for 60 seconds. Then I did weaver gel, then pigment, then condensed glue gel. After that, no wipe top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gel, then crystal, then clear. So I just want to make sure I recap it for any one of you just tuning in. Doesn't matter, you can do is like really deep smile eye, or you can do it in like a smaller. Really simple with this, because it's really like the pigment and the consistency of it is really good. So you can do like 1 coat. It gives you really cool French already, and then you can absolutely apply the pigment on. You can add thicker or thinners. It depends on you like the skinny French. If you do it on a coffin, you can see the skinny French is really cool. Or like, all right, so I'm gonna clear this one for a flash clear, 15 seconds. Maybe I should do another one here. Let me do one more on this one right here. And however you would like, you can dress it up the way you want it. It's just some of the preference that I share. This is gonna be cool after we put the pigments on and we dress it up with our crystals, the neon crystals, for a still nice for summer. So sorry, Facebook, can you see it okay? Mm-hmm. CC, if you do matte on this one, you have to do shiny first before you painting it. Oil, when you rub the pigments on, the pigments will stain on the matte top coat. However, after you finish with the pigments here, you can do a matte top coat on your pigment. Great. So I think I got it good. I know you all can do it like really good too. So get a little bit of paint on this and the cuticle. Great. So I'm gonna clear this for 15 seconds. In the meantime, here's at the gel painting in the precision brush that I'm using. And the brush is really precise, small enough, not too big, not too small. It's doing a perfect French. It comes with so many different colors, and also is the yellow colors is available now for you if you would like to. So let's go into this one. I get that. Going 5 of them here. And let's go in with this. These colors. I have some on my applicator here. And I'm gonna go in. You can do different things. They can do different colors. It doesn't have to be the way I'm doing it. I'm just playing with this and have some fun with different pigment. So I'm kind of like trying to, or playing with the ombre look. Just blend a little bit so then you can see them blending it together. I'm gonna do this one, blend a little bit right there. So it's blending good for us. Great. And then do with the blue. Each time you just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Because the pigment is so pigmented, you can use it for the pure pigments like raw pigments. You can mix it with your liquid and powders. You can mix it with the gel to make a jellies and neons, and you can mix it with your dipping powders. You can make it with your even polygel too. You can custom it. So I'm gonna move this on the side and has my unicorns. And now I am going to apply some crystals on it. Same, it condensed glue gels. And it's really thick density. So this, if you are worried and afraid of your crystal coming off, this bestie will help holding your crystal in one place. Lasts so long, good between 3 to 6 weeks. Well, of course, you don't want clients to come back in 6 weeks, but we have some clients that go on vacation and they are still on. So blend it. This is really thick density, so you make sure you blend it. So you don't need a whole lot, but you don't want to do too thin. You don't want to do it too thick. You want to do it like enough, so then that way they will adhere your crystal properly. And then I'm using a no wipe top coat. Floating on the top. This is for the short nail sample. If you have a clients love, like they wearing short nails only, and they love to have a crystals and all cute like fonts with the designs. And so I am going to, we have the what centerpiece we have. Maybe we do pink one, like do green one, because we don't have a green one there. Because we don't have a green colors, I didn't put the greens on it. But you can do whatever colors you prefer, okay? I think all colors look super cute. Doesn't matter. Can you get me a frame there? The frame over there, please. Okay. And the beads right there. Just add the shorter, longer. I just use a little bit frame. You don't want to, or the client's like, oh, you don't want it, and you are just need to cure it. There is a clients want some cute on it. I just don't want to do too much as this is smaller nails. Just doing it just the beads right between the crystals. Thank you, Genesee. You look fabulous with the mask, love. You feel like you are like Eric's twin, absolutely. Eric, thank you so much. Thank you, y'all, for the amazing support. So I'm gonna do just a little bit right there. You can add more on it. I know, just like, you're proud of me that I just like control it and like that's it. Looks super cute. If you don't want it, you can add more on. You can add more however you would like, and I am going to cure this one for 60 seconds.